drinking so early, aren't we?
8 a.m. is not early. Got some blue moons for Dad. Educating them with some Labatt Blue. His mom, margaritas.
30 is the limit, dude. You're going 41.
That's the requested thing because it's a corner.
Just telling you what the law said. It's not a
If it's
suggestion.
if it's yellow, it's a suggestion. If it's white, it's the legal limit. Yeah, these are pretty neat if you didn't get one.
Huh?
These are pretty neat.
I know, I have probably about 10 of them. All different kind. I have one that you sit on the ground and it'll pump it up out of the unit, does it automatically.
They're new tires, so they've been sitting for a while.
Oh, yeah.
How did you like Sarah Jackson?
Oh, I like it. You know what, Dustin and I, it's more making memories. You know, and I mean, we have such a nice time and such a long day, but we have such a nice time doing that.
Yeah, we went the first time together.
Oh, did you guys?
I never been to one, and she hadn't either.
Oh, okay. Sarah Jackson?
Yeah. I was surprised that I actually enjoyed because.
Oh yeah, well they have something there for everybody. I mean, women can look at all the stuff inside, and and plus watch the cars. It's kind of exciting to watch the cars go across the block. Yeah, we have a nice time. We pretty much go every year, him and I.
Oh.
We usually go on Super Saturday.
When did you go this year?
We went on Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
We went on, what was it, Wednesday last week.
Didn't buy anything?
Hug the Z, Kicks.
What?
Hug him. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Look inside.
Oh my goodness.
Look at where they keep there.
What do you put in them?
Just like 30.
30? Yeah, this one here's down pretty low too. I don't know how much of it was sunk or.
Yeah, I mean, crap. Probably the last time I had air was 5 years ago. I might go like 35.
Okay. What do they have a hinge hold this thing on? The radiator.
Yeah, it was custom done.
Oh,
Because this was, these were all supposed to have 6-cylinders.
right. Yeah.
But they took this one to California and then they dropped it a little bit and they put 350 in it.
What are you going to do with it now? You going to work on it or?
So I get a budget of $500. So this tow is this year's budget.
Okay.
Because I'm like, you shouldn't get carried away with like fixing that, because that's gonna cost a lot of money. So you have to have like a limit of how much you're gonna spend on it. And So
It'll be worth money if it gets fixed up. They're worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
but he's like, but it's family, so we couldn't sell it.
Yeah, they're worth a lot of money. It's just,
To get it there.
just getting it to that point to where.
But that's gonna cost a lot of money to repair too, because look at that.
Well,
Oh,
once it gets all vacuumed out, it's gonna be, but the seats need to be done.
Well, let me know if you need an engine stand. I do have one. I have an engine stand and a cherry picker. I got up in the morning. I drained it and took the pipe off. About 2.5 hours. It wasn't too bad of a job.
hello.
I've had some problems.
Hi.
Motor valve.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello there.
Because the well can't keep up to it. All the houses moving in here are taking the water.
Two hours later.
It might look rusty and old and weather beaten, but it's my rusty and old and weather beaten. You can touch this one.
The Z is home.